right, the same drill. They're all part of the same example. I just split them onto 3 sides. Okay, so we know now that the first step would be turning them into linear factors by doing x minus the 0. All right, and this first one would be x minus the negative 1/2, which is x plus 1/2. No. X, don't switch on me. X minus 3. X. Come on. Well, I don't know why sometimes it does that. Okay. So now, I mean, could you write it as a 0.5? Sure, write it as a 0.5. But better than doing that, since we know we could actually multiply this whole thing by a constant and it wouldn't change the zeros. Multiply everything by 2 to get rid of that 1/2. Right? If I multiply this by 2, it isn't going to change the zeros. Now I'll do distributive property on this factor only. That now it's 2x plus 1. Now it still has a 0 of negative 1/2, right? If I put in negative 1/2, I get 0. But now I don't have fractions. So that's the preferred solution. If you want to do it like this, you're welcome to do it like that. That would be one answer. It'll be different by a constant. It doesn't make any difference, by a constant factor. So now, how do we proceed from here? Which 2 do you think we'd want to FOIL? Right. Probably you're going to do these 2 first. Right. That is x squared minus 6x plus 9. It's not x squared minus 9. Okay? Times 2x plus 1. Okay, now you got to multiply. This is not a FOIL, right? Because it's not 2 things times 2 things. It's 2 things times 3 things. And you could multiply it. You know, just be careful about the way you do it. Here's a method that I suggest sometimes. If you knew Ben Orozco last year, who died last year, he's the one who showed me this, and he got it from a teacher in Germany when he was with the military then. But if it helps you to do a multiplication like this, set it up like this, right? Make a little table, right? And make one factor on one margin, 2x plus 1. Okay, I'll see. I'm certainly, maybe it's just, oh, now I'm messing it up. Now it's giving me really goofy stuff. Okay, now let's try this again. 2x plus 1 and x squared minus 6x plus 9. And now fill in the grid. That'll make sure you multiply everything in the first set of parentheses times everything in the second set of parentheses. Right, this first one becomes 2x to the third. 2x times negative 6x is negative 12x squared. And 2x times 9 is plus 18x. Okay, 1 times x squared is x squared. 1 times negative 6x, and 1 times 9. Okay, now the like terms are usually on a diagonal, like this. So we just have to combine like terms, and then we're done. So that is 2x to the third, 1x squared minus 12x squared, minus 11x squared. Then negative 6 plus 18 is plus, now I'm not squeezing that, plus, don't do it. Come on. Okay, plus 12x plus 9.